Hi guys, it's T2This here with another horror story. This one is part of my horror shared universe, so be sure to notice connections to other horror stories that I released last year and others that I will release throughout the month of October. Once again, every midnight every Wednesday at 12 a.m. midnight, all the way through Halloween, a new horror story. Okay, let's get right to it.
In the middle of the afternoon, Randy is sitting on the porch eating an ice cream cone. He's 10 years old. The ice cream is chocolate flavored. A black cat walks in front of the house and stops to stare at Randy. Randy smiles. Its eyes are green. It continues walking. The next morning, Randy and his brother Mike are walking to the playground. Mike is 12. When they arrive at the playground, they see the black cat lay on the cement. He is dead, with a plastic bag wrapped around its neck. Blood is on the concrete. Mike turns and runs up the slide. Randy stares at the cat. He blinks back tears. Later at night, Randy is on the backyard. He is kicking a ball to the gate multiple times. Suddenly, the black cat is on the neighbor's yard. Randy stops. The cat's eyes glow green. It jumps up to the top of the gate. The cat jumps down to Randy's yard. It slowly moves towards Randy. It walks around his leg. Randy goes down and rubs its back. Randy feels its tail. It's soft. The cat meows. Randy goes into the house and comes back out with a bowl of milk. However, the cat is gone. Randy looks around. No cat. He returns inside. The next afternoon, Randy and Mike are playing with the water hose on the side of the house. A black truck drives by and stops. A minute later, the children's mother pops out of the house. She calls for the boys. The truck drives away. The boys run towards their mom. She hands them some towels. Mike drives up. He goes into the house. Randy is left outside alone to dry. An elderly woman is walking in front of the house. She is wearing a black coat that covers her from head to toe. She walks up to the porch. Randy notices her. "Can I help you?" Randy asks. She doesn't speak, but gets closer to Randy. Randy notices the woman's dark hair and green eyes. Randy whispers, "What do you need?" Her hand reaches out to Randy. She slowly opens her mouth and says she has come for her bowl of milk. subscribe, or you'll see me by your